So I've heard this before. People think that they can work the claim themselves and public adjusters are miracle workers and we're just going to automatically get more money for people. Unfortunately, that's not the case. The insurance company is documenting everything you do and say, just like we as public adjusters document everything the insurance company does and say. If you say the wrong thing or you kind of go down the wrong route with your insurance claim, it's very, very difficult for us to unsay those things and to reverse the mistakes that have been made. Sometimes we can overcome them, and yes, we can get more money from a claim that's been denied or underpaid. After it's been closed, we can get it reopened and get more money. But we get a lot more money by coming in at the beginning. I've seen people where they come to us, they have $12,000, they're all excited, and we come in and we get them another $2,000. When in reality, I'm looking at this claim and I'm like, this is a $30,000 claim. But there have been so many mistakes made along the way that we're unable to correct those mistakes that have been documented. We make sure that the mistakes aren't made from the beginning. We make sure that the right things are being said to the insurance company. We make sure that the picture is being painted properly for your claim, and that can be the reason why it's more important to get us going at the beginning, because you're not saving money by asking us to recover your $2,000 when we could have gotten an additional $15,000 for you.